Hi, I'm Kiyoshi from Magdeburg, Germany. Welcome at the WBS Studienkolleg. Here is the third part of what is inside a T course. As you know from part 2, mathematics is an important component of the education in a T course at the Studienkolleg. What are the educational goals in mathematics? At the Studienkolleg, general study skills and scientific educational training are taught in mathematics. The following general academic goals for mathematics are 5 points. First, developing problem-solving skills. Second, developing a critical use of mathematical thought processes. Third, developing a knowledgeable use of subject-specific language with reference and distinction to everyday language. Fourth, developing visual perception abilities. And fifth, acquiring fundamental competencies in dealing with selected mathematical objects. The T course in mathematics is divided in areas. There are 7 areas of learning, from area 1 to 7. The area 1 comprises the introduction and elementary propositional logic, sets and set operations, and the arithmetic and equation theory, and the geometric fundamentals. The area 2 of mathematics includes the sequences and series, and the functions and limit processes. Also interesting is the area 3 of mathematics, and it includes the differential calculus, and the numerical methods and approximation methods. The learning area 4 includes complex numbers of mathematics. The learning area 5 of mathematics includes the calculus and its applications. And that's my personal favorite part. The learning area 6 of mathematics includes the linear algebra with matrices, determinants, and matrix, and the analytical geometry with vector calculus and interfaces. And last but not least, the 7th area of learning includes the election topics and exam preparation. So there are a lot of stuff to do. If you have any question, just use in this case our website at wbs-studienkolleg.com. Let's start now.